have done another track. Got the break dancers bouncing, so where is my stack? We be kicking back, steady waiting for that platinum, making people get up on the street, having lots of fun. The new beginning has begun. If you're hazing, why stop hating? If you're watching Yum Yum, chew some gum. Don't forget to brush your teeth, mix, swish around and plunge. Mix it up with Colgate, that be feeling fresh and stunned. Son, play my song on the radio, see how far we get. Play my song on the radio, let my song do the rest. Do the rest. This is how we do it up in Kizzy Town. Fashion we say where we look around. People got the guts to jump on stage, start a rage and make a whole lot of sound. If you wanna come and battle me, come on stage and grab the mic G, cause I'm about to start to rip you up, turn you around and kick you off, not just playing. Kidding, but if you really get serious, we can take this outside and take it long ride, you can just give it up. Wake up, you playing along, or you in your own world singing a song. Break it out, I wanna listen, it'll be great. You could be a rapper and be as rich as Gates. Bill Gates, you know the name. Still living it up, still living the same. Let's change the whole subject. Give me anything that'll break my back. I'm a young MC rapping hard to the mic, and I'm never gonna get it till I get it all right. Hold it tight, so holding on, never gonna let it go till I'm number one. Play my song on the radio, so how far it gets. Play my song on the radio, see how far it gets. Play my song on the radio, see how far it gets. Play my song on the radio, let my song do the rest. Play my song on the radio, play my song on the radio, play my song on the radio, play my song, play the song on the radio, play my song on the radio, play my song on the radio, play my song on the radio, see how far it gets. Play my song on the radio, let my song do the rest. Play my song, play my song, play my song, play my song, play my song.